Welcome to the TikTok Marketing Masterclass. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how to use TikTok to reach and engage with your target audience. Throughout this course, you will learn the basics of TikTok marketing, including how to create engaging and visually appealing content, how to use hashtags and challenges to increase visibility, how to collaborate with influencers and other users, and how to analyze metrics to track the success of your campaigns. You will also gain a deep understanding of the platform's unique features and how to use them effectively to reach your target audience. Additionally, you will learn how to have a clear understanding of your target audience and how to create content that appeals to them. This course will be packed with actionable tips, strategies, and best practices that you can use to improve your TikTok marketing efforts. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed on TikTok. So, let's get started. Creating engaging and visually appealing content on TikTok involves a few key elements. Attention-grabbing visuals. Use bright colors, interesting angles, and creative transitions to capture the viewer's attention. Music and sound effects. Choose a catchy and relevant soundtrack to enhance the visual experience and make the video more engaging. Relevant and interesting content. Make sure the content is relevant and interesting to your target audience. Authenticity. Be authentic and relatable in your videos, and try to connect with your audience on a personal level. Consistency. Maintain a consistent aesthetic and theme across all your videos to build a strong brand identity and keep your audience engaged. Use of filters and effects. Use filters, effects, and editing tools to add interest and depth to your videos. Storytelling. Use the platform's unique features to tell a story and engage with your audience. Additionally, you should also consider the length of your videos, as TikTok's algorithm favors shorter videos. So make sure your videos are 15 seconds or less. Utilizing hashtags and challenges on TikTok can help increase the visibility of your content and reach a larger audience. Hashtags. Use relevant and popular hashtags in the caption of your videos to make them more discoverable. This will make it easier for users who are searching for content related to those hashtags to find your videos. Challenges. Participate in popular challenges on the platform by creating a video that aligns with the theme of the challenge and using the designated challenge hashtag. This can help your video reach a larger audience and increase engagement. Create your own challenges. Start your own challenge and encourage other users to participate by using a unique hashtag. This is a great way to increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience. Leverage trending topics. Keep an eye out for trending topics and create content that aligns with them to increase the visibility of your videos. Monitor the performance of your hashtags. Keep track of the performance of your hashtags and adjust them as needed to maximize the reach of your videos. Keep in mind that TikTok's algorithm also favors videos with high engagement and views, so make sure to encourage your audience to like and share your videos. Collaborating with influencers and other users on TikTok can be an effective way to increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with popular TikTok influencers who align with your brand and have a large following in your target market. They can create sponsored content that features your products or services, or participate in challenges and campaigns. Brand collaborations. Collaborate with other brands or businesses to create joint campaigns and challenges that can reach a larger audience. User-generated content. Encourage your audience to create content that features your products or services and share it on their own channels, using a designated hashtag. This can help increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience. Duet with other users. Use the duet function to create collaborative videos with other users. This can help increase visibility for both parties and build relationships with other creators. Live streaming. Partner with other creators for live streaming events that can help increase visibility and engagement. Respond to comments and messages. Engage with other users by responding to comments and messages in a timely manner. This can help build relationships and increase engagement. Overall, collaborating with other users and influencers can help increase the visibility and credibility of your brand, and also help you reach a larger audience. Analyzing metrics is an important part of tracking the success of your TikTok marketing campaigns. Here are a few key metrics to track. Views. Track the number of views your videos receive to gauge the overall engagement and reach of your content. Engagement rate. Calculate the engagement rate by dividing the number of likes, comments, and shares by the number of views. This will give you an idea of how well your content is resonating with your audience. Followers. Track the number of followers your account has to gauge the growth of your audience over time. Audience demographics. Use TikTok's built-in analytics tools to learn more about your audience's age, gender, location, and interests. Link clicks. If you're using TikTok's swipe up feature to drive traffic to your website, track the number of clicks to gauge the success of your campaigns. Hashtag performance. Monitor the performance of the hashtags you use in your videos and adjust them as needed to maximize the reach of your videos. Retention rate. Track the percentage of viewers who watch your videos from start to finish to understand how engaging your content is. By tracking these metrics, you can gain insight into what is and isn't working in your campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to improve your overall performance on TikTok. Understanding the unique features of TikTok can help you create more effective marketing campaigns and reach your target audience. Here are a few key features to be familiar with. For You page. The For You page is the main landing page for users on TikTok and is a curated feed of popular and recommended videos. Understanding how this page works and how to optimize your content to be featured on it can help increase the visibility of your videos. Duet function. The Duet function allows users to create collaborative videos with other users. This feature can be used to create engaging content and increase visibility. Filters and effects. TikTok has a wide variety of filters, effects, and editing tools that can be used to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. React feature. The React feature allows users to record a video of themselves reacting to another user's video. This feature can be used to create engaging and interactive content. Live streaming. TikTok has a live streaming feature that allows users to broadcast live to their followers. This feature can be used to create real-time engagement with your audience. Challenges. TikTok has a feature that allows users to participate in popular challenges, which can increase visibility and engagement. Music library. TikTok has a vast music library with a wide variety of songs and sound effects that can be used to enhance the visual experience of videos. Shopping feature. TikTok has a built-in shopping feature that allows users to purchase products directly from the app. This feature can be used to drive sales and increase conversions. By understanding these features and how to use them effectively, you can create more engaging content and reach your target audience more effectively on TikTok. Using the unique features of TikTok to reach your target audience involves understanding the preferences and behavior of your target market and creating content that aligns with them. Here are a few strategies to consider. Optimize your content for the For You page. Use popular hashtags, participate in challenges, and create visually appealing and engaging content to increase the chances of your videos being featured on the For You page. Collaborate with users and influencers in your target market. Partner with users and influencers who have a large following in your target market to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Use filters and effects that align with your target market. Use filters, effects and editing tools that align with the preferences of your target market to make your videos more visually appealing to them. Leverage trending topics. Keep an eye out for trending topics that align with your target market and create content that aligns with them to increase visibility and engagement. Use the Duet function to connect with your target audience. Use the Duet function to create collaborative videos with users in your target market to increase visibility and engagement. Use the live streaming feature to connect with your target audience. Use the live streaming feature to connect with your target audience in real time and respond to their comments and questions. Use the shopping feature. If your business sells products, use the built-in shopping feature to promote them and make it easy for your target audience to purchase them. By understanding your target audience and using the unique features of TikTok to create content that aligns with their preferences and behavior, you can increase your chances of reaching and engaging with them effectively on the platform. Having a clear understanding of your target audience and creating content that appeals to them is an important part of a successful TikTok marketing strategy. Here are a few steps to take in order to understand your target audience and create content that appeals to them. Define your target audience. Identify the demographic characteristics of your ideal customer, such as age, gender, location, interests, and behaviors. Research your target audience. Use TikTok's built-in analytics tools to learn more about your current audience and conduct online research to understand the preferences and behavior of your target audience. Create buyer personas. Develop detailed buyer personas that represent your ideal customer and use them as a guide when creating content. Align your content with your target audience. Use the information you've gathered about your target audience to create content that aligns with their preferences and behavior. This can include the type of content you create, the tone and style of your videos, and the music and sound effects you use. Test and measure the effectiveness of your content. Use TikTok's analytics tools to track the performance of your videos and measure how well they resonate with your target audience. Use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your content for better performance. Experiment with new content. Keep experimenting with new and creative ways to appeal to your target audience. Try new trends, styles, formats and take feedback from your audience. By having a clear understanding of your target audience and creating content that appeals to them, you can increase the chances of your content being seen and engaged with by the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Now that you have a solid understanding of the basics of TikTok marketing, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. In this course, we will be working on a hands-on project where you will be able to create and execute a successful TikTok marketing campaign that reaches and engages with your target audience. This project will provide you with the opportunity to apply the strategies and best practices that you have learned throughout this course and see the results for yourself. The project will guide you through the process of defining your target audience, developing a content strategy, creating a series of videos, collaborating with influencers and other users, tracking and analyzing the performance of your campaign, and refining and adjusting your strategy. Additionally, you will be able to write a report of your campaign with the results, what you learn and how you will improve it in the future. This project will be a great way for you to gain real-world experience and to see the impact of your efforts on your target audience. So, let's get started and see what we can achieve together. Project: TikTok Marketing Campaign. Objective: to create and execute a successful TikTok marketing campaign that reaches and engages with your target audience. Instructions: define your target audience. Identify the demographic characteristics of your ideal customer, such as age, gender, location, interests, and behaviors. Use TikTok's built-in analytics tools to learn more about your current audience and conduct online research to understand the preferences and behavior of your target audience. Develop a content strategy. Based on your research, create a content strategy that aligns with the preferences and behavior of your target audience. This can include the type of content you create, the tone and style of your videos, and the music and sound effects you use. Create a series of videos. Using the information from Step 2, create a series of videos that align with your content strategy. Make sure to use popular hashtags, participate in challenges, and create visually appealing and engaging content to increase the chances of your videos being featured on the For You page. Collaborate with influencers and other users. Partner with users and influencers who have a large following in your target market to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Use the duet function and live streaming feature. Use the duet function and live streaming feature to connect with your target audience and increase visibility and engagement. Track and analyze the performance of your campaign. Use TikTok's analytics tools to track the performance of your videos and measure how well they resonate with your target audience. Use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your content for better performance. Refine and adjust your strategy. Based on the performance of your campaign, make adjustments to your content strategy, targeting, and approach. Write a report of your campaign with the results, what you learn and how you will improve it in the future. Deliverable: a series of videos, a campaign report that includes an overview of the campaign, results, and suggestions for improvement. Note: the project assumes that you already have a TikTok account and some basic knowledge of the platform. In conclusion, this course has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of how to use TikTok to reach and engage with your target audience. You have learned the basics of TikTok marketing, including how to create engaging and visually appealing content, how to use hashtags and challenges to increase visibility, how to collaborate with influencers and other users, and how to analyze metrics to track the success of your campaigns. Additionally, you have gained a deep understanding of the platform's unique features and how to use them effectively to reach your target audience. You have also learned how to have a clear understanding of your target audience and how to create content that appeals to them. By following the strategies and best practices outlined in this course, you should now have the knowledge and skills you need to create and execute a successful TikTok marketing campaign. Remember that TikTok is a rapidly evolving platform, so it's important to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. As you continue to use TikTok for marketing, be sure to test different strategies, track your performance and optimize your efforts along the way. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, as this is the best way to learn and improve. Remember to stay authentic, relatable and consistent. It will help you build a long-term relationship with your audience. Thank you for taking this course and good luck in your TikTok marketing efforts.